Welcome back to our channel. Meet the Typhur Dome 2 Air Fryer, a game-changing kitchen companion designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and smarter. With its sleek dome design, powerful air circulation, and versatile functions, this air fryer helps you prepare crispy, delicious meals with little to no oil, all while saving time and energy in the kitchen. Degree: inspired by professional pizza ovens, Typhur reinvented the airflow and circulation of the air fryer, reducing cooking time by up to 30%. Dual heating elements, top and bottom, ensures your food is cooked evenly with less shaking or flipping. Paired with dual temperature sensors, this innovative system delivers delicious results every time. Dome 2 Air Fryer cooks food 30% faster than traditional air fryers. Cook 32 chicken wings in 14 minutes, 2 steaks in 8 minutes, or 10 pieces of bacon in 10 minutes. Enjoy cooking with minimal noise. The Typhur Dome 2 is quiet, operating at 55 dB. This means you can cook delicious, crispy food without having to shout over the noise. The Typhur Dome 2 is designed to save space by consolidating multiple kitchen tools into one. It's capable of 15 cooking functions, including pizza, bacon, steak, wings, fries, frozen, air fry, toast, grill, bake, griddle, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, covering nearly every cooking need. Typhur Dome's self-cleaning function removes oil and stains from the top cavity in 2 hours, leaving your appliance spotless. Activate it on the app once a month. Experience effortless cooking with the Typhur Dome 2 Air Fryer's non-stick ceramic basket coating. Enjoy the convenience of a non-stick and non-toxic surface without unnecessary details. And that's the Typhur Dome 2 Air Fryer, where style meets performance for everyday cooking. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or reheating, it's built to deliver consistent results that taste amazing. If you're ready to take your meals to the next level, this could be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Product link in the video description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon and share it with your friends.